are going to be doing a lab with testing different surface textures. So for this lab, you will need a ping pong book, your reading literature anthology book, a tape measure, a piece of sandpaper, a piece of felt, and a piece of aluminum foil. As we go through the lab, feel free to pause the video at any time so that you can do your 3 trials and switch your surface material out.
After finding an empty space along the wall, which should also have some empty cleared out space in front so that when the ping pong ball rolls down, it has space to roll, please take your reading book, take the tape measure, and starting at the bottom, starting at the floor, putting the tape measure at the base, take the tape measure, hold up against the wall, go to 10 inches. Oh, look at that. I have that book pretty close there. You're going to angle your reading book to make an inclined plane. Then you're going to take the first material. Let's do the felt first. You're going to place the felt. Oh yeah, look, fold it over. Take the ball. When you place the ping pong ball, don't pull it back, just kind of put right here at the edge. You're going to release the ball. Don't throw it, don't push it, just let it go. When the ping pong ball stops, you're going to take the tape measure, turn it over so that it reads centimeters. Place the end of the tape measure at the base, where your reading book meets the floor, and put the tape measures. So I'm going to slide this over just so. You're going to round, so you can see the ball is like right at the 100 and the 99. So we're going to say that it was 100, actually it was a little over. So we're going to say 101 centimeters. You're going to record that on your table, and then move the tape measure. Take the ping pong ball back up. Make sure you always release it at the same spot. And so not above, not below, always right there at where you can feel that it's the top of your reading book. And it's sticking to my fingers. Let the ball go up, out. Okay. So this presents something new. We're going to again place the tape measure at the base of your reading book. And you can see that the tape measure ends at 150 centimeters. At this point, you either need someone to help you out, or you need to put your pencil, you need to place, may I have a pencil? Or that works. So place something that you can keep track, and just pull your tape measure. So you were at 150, and now we're going to take the tape measure. This would also be good to make sure you do it inside to avoid wind or animals, pets that might be coming around, siblings. No, siblings should be inside. All right, so I'm at 110, so I'll have to add 150 plus 110 to have my second trial for the distance. And you repeat that again and mark your third distance, and then we're going to switch materials, surface textures. Let's go for the foil. And it's the same procedure. We're going to put the ball at the top, not pushing it, not throwing it, just releasing it, letting it travel until it stops, using the tape measure to measure the distance traveled. Do that for 3 trials for the foil. Then you're going to do the same thing with the sandpaper. Sandpaper now, it doesn't want to come clear up to the top, so you might ask someone to try to hold it up so it's up at the top. That seems like it's going to be the best thing. So then making sure that the ball is at the top of the book, and thank you. So if you're able to hold it, but getting a partner probably would be helpful. Releasing it. And the same procedure, using your tape measure to measure the distances traveled, and record for 3 trials.